In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add experience in LinkedIn profile. If you want to keep your LinkedIn profile updated and make sure your professional background is clearly displayed, adding your work experience is an important step. It helps other people understand your skills, your career path, and the roles you've held. The good news is that LinkedIn makes this process fairly simple once you know where to click. To get started, go to LinkedIn and look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or profile menu there. This will open the account and profile options connected to your LinkedIn account. From that menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page where you can review all the sections that make up your public professional information. Once you're on your profile page for Vorsaster, scroll until you find the Experience section. This is the area where LinkedIn lists your current and previous roles, so this is where you'll make the update. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section before moving on. Next, click the pen icon. This puts the section into editing mode and allows you to make changes to the experience details already listed there. Inside this area, you'll also see the option to add a new role. Now click the plus icon to add experience. This opens the form where you can enter the details for the job or position you want to include. Be as accurate as possible here, since this information helps create a complete and professional-looking profile. You'll then need to enter the job title, the organization name, the location, the employment type, and the dates. Fill in each field carefully. Make sure your job title matches the role you actually held, and check that the dates are correct so your timeline looks consistent. Choosing the right employment type is also useful since it helps clarify whether the role was full-time, part-time, contract, internship, or another type of work arrangement. After that, click Next, then continue through the remaining prompts. Once you've completed the process, your new experience entry will be added to your LinkedIn profile, and that's it. As you can see, adding experience to your LinkedIn profile is quick and straightforward. Keeping this section updated can make your profile look more complete and professional, so it's worth reviewing it regularly whenever you start a new role or want to add previous experience.